We are talking about parallelograms, and we want to recognize and apply the properties of the sides and angles of parallelograms. So here we have example 2. The quadrilateral below is a parallelogram. Find each of the following. State which parallelogram property you use to find each of your answers. So the first one we're looking at is the measure of angle DBC. So here's the measure of angle DBC. So that's this angle right here. Now this is a parallelogram, so right off the bat, we know that opposite sides are parallel. So if opposite sides are parallel, we have two parallel lines cut by a transversal, then we should know that alternate interior angles are congruent. So the measure of angle DBC has to be equal to 38 degrees by alternate interior angles. We can't figure out measure of angle DAC, measure of angle DAC. Well, we can figure that out, but we're going to skip that one for right now. Next one we're going to look at is C. We have measure of angle DCA, measure of angle DCA. So we're looking at angle DCA. Well, again, we have two parallel lines cut by a transversal. So alternate interior angles are congruent. Again, by alternate interior angles. Okay, measure of angle BCA, measure of angle BCA. Well, we can't quite figure that one out yet. We don't have any other information, but we will be able to figure out this one right here. And that is measure of angle DAC. So the thing that we have to remember is consecutive angles are supplementary. So what that means is if you're going around a parallelogram, if you make two turns, you're going in the exact opposite direction. So we were going, we're going straight right, make a right turn, make a left turn. Now we're going straight left. So we make two turns on a parallelogram, you're always in the exact opposite direction, or 180 degrees. So we can say 180 degrees is equal to, so the first angle is CDA, so we can take 72 and 38. Next angle is DAB, so we could take that if we knew it, but we don't know what it is, so we're going to replace that and we're going to put an X there. So we're going to say 72 plus 38 plus 44 plus X. And we're going to add these together. And we get 180 is equal to 154. We bring down the X. So what we did was we just added these three together. And then we're going to subtract 154 degrees. And our 154 cancels. And we're left with 26 is equal to x. So that is going to be the measure of angle DAC. So that's going to be equal to 26 degrees, and that's the work for that right over there. Now we're looking at measure of angle BCA. BCA. Well, again, we have two parallel lines cut by transversal. So alternate interior angles are congruent. So the measure of angle BCA is also equal to the x value, which was 26 degrees.